G'day, I'm Kath Molloy and welcome to M.A.D for Mondays. I'm here in London, England, very excited, and I've got an amazing guest who's going to introduce himself just now and let us know what he does to make a difference.
Well, thank you, Catherine. I'm Richard McCann. I'm a motivational speaker, and what I'm known for is 44 years ago I lost my mum. She was murdered by a serial killer called Peter Sutcliffe, and as you can imagine, that had a massive negative impact on me, on my life, and I've had to be positive ever since then. And so all these years later, I try and push that positivity onto my children, and here's a great little thing to demonstrate why that's wise. My young daughter, aged 9, turned round to my wife when she was putting her to bed. She says, "Mummy, I'm so excited about tomorrow." And my wife said, "What's happening tomorrow?" And she said, "I don't know yet." And that is just, it's all about positivity, it's all about mindset, it's all about, being grateful for what we've got. And, when you lose your mum as a little child, you have to be grateful. And that's my Motivational Monday tip for you today.
Wow, so what is the main number one tip?
Well, just to be positive. Yeah,
Be positive.
Be positive and always see the good in life, in people, in situations. You might as well.
You might as well. So why not wake up really excited and say, I'm so excited about today, because we don't know what's going to happen yet. Have fun and have a great Monday. Thank you.
Bye-bye.